How's it going, everyone? Thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I have a special surprise. I finally received my Rep times Pepin adjustable dumbbells. They came in pretty quick. I purchased them a week ago, and they already arrived. So I've been looking for adjustable dumbbells for a while now, and pretty much these came out during a good time for me, since it seems like these are the most favored adjustable dumbbells. So gonna give them a shot. As you can see, I don't have any dumbbells that go beyond 25 pounds. I have these dumbbell set behind me that goes from 5 pounds to 25, and that's pretty much it. I mainly just use my my power rack to do most of my workouts, so having these adjustable dumbbells will definitely help a lot with doing different exercises besides just using the barbell for all my workouts. Pretty excited to get them set up today. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox these Rep times Pepin adjustable dumbbells and show you my first impression. It is packaged really nicely. The Rep times Pepin adjustable dumbbells, along with the additional weight plates. Got the first cradle setup. Added the 5-pound plates, but I need to add the additional plates on there. The packaging is really nice. So we have the Rep times Pepin adjustable dumbbells all set up. It was a pretty easy setup. Nothing too crazy. Everything's pretty straightforward. But I did opt in for the 125, so I got 3 additional boxes of weight plates. And first impression, they look really nice in person. I always see them in videos only. So yeah, seeing them in person, they're pretty big. But like I said, these are my first ever adjustable dumbbells, so I don't have anything to compare it with. But I am super excited because these are my first ever adjustable dumbbells, and they're for my home gym that I'm slowly building up. Like I said, I was using the 5 pounds to 25 pounds dumbbell back there only. So being able to have these now and incorporate them into my workout again using dumbbells, I'm pretty excited for that. So I can't wait to start using them. And I did also order the Rep times Pepin adjustable dumbbell stand with the wheel. Not the cart, but the other dumbbell stand. So I can't wait till that come in because that'll definitely make it easier to move these around. As you can see, my home gym garage is pretty small, so being able to move these around easily with the the stand would definitely help. So I can't wait for that to come in, but I was too excited for these, so I end up opening these first to get them set up, test them, see how they feel. It is pretty late, so I'm probably not gonna do a workout right now, but I'll just do a quick I guess, a quick first impression on using them, how I like them, how it feels. Of course, I won't really get a full feel of these adjustable dumbbells until I use them for quite some time and doing more workouts or exercise with them. So I got the adjustable dumbbells here. Let's go ahead and do 50 pounds. That's 50 pounds. So people did say the alignment on these aren't that great, and I can see why. I think I went too heavy. Let's go lighter. Still getting used to these adjusting dumbbells. So far is I had to get used to adjusting the dumbbells. I'm not that great apparently. I'm always having one side heavier than the other. So once I'll have like 1 or 2 plates, the other one have like 3 or 4. So still learning. One thing I did notice that these adjustable pins aren't really aligned to where it's marking on the handle, and I think that's one of the things people were saying as well in the reviews. But I think once you use them long enough, you probably know where the pin should go. So far, my hand fit in the dumbbell handles pretty well. The knurlings on the handle is pretty thick, which is nice compared to my my dumbbells back there, where the handles are a little bit smaller and has a little thicker piece in the center, and the outer layer on your hand will be like thinner. And that the adjustable dumbbells are pretty nice. No complaints here. Right now I have them right here on the ground because I have nowhere to put them. My home gym is very small, so I definitely can't wait to get the cradle, or not, the dumbbell stand for these. But yeah, so far they're really nice. I like the way they feel, the way they adjust is pretty quick. Just gotta get used to aligning the pins, but other than that, it's really quick to adjust. Very nice to hear the pin pop in and out and sliding. That's what people were saying too. That's very satisfying, and I could see why now that I actually have these on hand and using them for the first time ever. First impression, I really like them. I can't wait to start using them and incorporating them in my workouts, like I was saying. With the what is it, adjustable dumbbell stand from Rep. Once that come in, I feel like that would definitely help moving these around. Because right now, moving 125 off the ground every time is not good for my lower back, but for right now it works. So I definitely am excited to use these, and I look forward to keeping these long term and try to future proof my home gym so I don't need to keep upgrading them. And I feel like these dumbbells, I don't think I'm ever gonna upgrade them again. They are my first and probably my last. They already are at 125, so that's already pretty heavy for dumbbells, and I think the range that these adjustable dumbbell has for the rep times Pepin is great. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. And yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. I'm learning, it's slowly getting better. Editing videos takes a while, so yeah, please continue to watch my videos and support the channel. Thank you guys again for watching. Peace.